Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the market preview for ETFs via our scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, April 23rd, 2013. Got kind of an update depending on what you're looking at today. The NASDAQ side of the market is definitely stronger than the broad market side. The diamonds were down for most of the day and finally just crawled back into positive territory, though they're still just slightly below the open, even though they're up on the day now. Keep in mind that we're flirting with the camouflage sell signal here. Depending on where we close, that could be very important for tomorrow. The diamonds are also trading pretty good volume, while the other majors are definitely lacking in volume. Moving on to the individual domestic sectors, we're a little bit skewed to the sell side here. It's not a slam dunk with a hard bias to the sell side, but we're definitely seeing more buys than sells. If you look down the volume column here, it's really an absence of any real good volume. So definitely keep an eye on the ETFs here that are showing sell signals, since that seems to be the dominant theme here. Looking at the commodities are also fairly heavy. Got a good deal of volume in the UNG that's been pretty strong for a couple of sessions. Now it's starting to get back. We're 1% below the open, and we are showing a downside CPS signal on increased volume, so we could see some follow through on the downside tomorrow. The bonds are all trading very, very light volume, though there's a couple of signals, not really enough volume to sink your teeth into. Foreign names are actually a little bit better to buy. There's a few buy signals here, two of which are the CPS variety, which tend to be stronger. The EWG and the EW also both have CPS signals, so I'm going to be watching those for this coming session. And as far as the specials go, couple buys, couple sells, but we're tilted to the downside here. The shorts are indicated to the upside, and the longs are indicated to the downside, but none of these are on any real notable volume. So Monday of the week, just kind of getting back after options expiration. So I hope and think that volume will pick up as we get through the week here. Well, that's it for this evening. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.